Hey everyone, welcome to the BdThemes tutorial. In this quick guide, we'll explore the Instant Image Generator by BdThemes, a smart WordPress plugin that lets you create stunning AI images from text prompts. Ideal for blogs, e-commerce, and landing pages, it helps you generate unique visuals without leaving your site. No more stock photo hunting, just fast, creative results in a few clicks. Ready to boost your content with AI? Let's dive in. To get started with the Instant Image Generator, begin by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, hover your mouse over the Plugins tab and click on Add Plugins. Once you're on the Add Plugins page, look at the top right corner for the search bar. In the search field, type Instant Image Generator and press Enter. The plugin developed by BdThemes should appear right at the top of the results list. Click the Install Now button to begin the installation process. After the plugin is successfully installed, click on Activate to enable it on your website. Once activated, you'll find it ready to use within your WordPress dashboard. Now, hover over the Media tab in the dashboard menu, and you'll notice a new option labeled Image Generator. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Image Generator dashboard. Here, at the top left corner of the interface, you'll find three main tabs: Pixels, Pixabay, and OpenAI. Let's start with the Pixels tab. Right away, you'll see a search bar at the top and a grid of default images displayed below. When you hover over any of these images, you'll notice an import icon with an upward arrow on the bottom right of each image. Clicking on this icon will bring up several size options for that specific image. Now type something in the search field, for example, forest, and relevant images will appear based on your search. Select an image and click the download icon for your preferred size. The image will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, a confirmation message will appear on screen. From this same dialog, you can also copy the image's URL for later use. After you click Done, navigate to the Media tab in WordPress, where you'll find the downloaded image saved and ready for use in your content. Next, return to the Image Generator dashboard and switch to the Pixabay tab. This works similarly to the Pixels tab. You can enter any keyword in the search bar, for example, let's say you search for nature, and the plugin will display a variety of related images from Pixabay's library. You can preview and download these images in your preferred size, just like before. Now, let's move on to the most exciting and powerful part of this plugin, the OpenAI tab. This feature allows you to create completely new AI-generated images based on any text prompt you enter. However, before you can use this functionality, you'll need to connect your OpenAI API key. If it hasn't been set up yet, the system will display an error message saying Error Fetching API Key. To generate and add your API key, hover over the Settings tab and click on AI Image. At the top left of the page, you'll see a helpful link labeled How to Use OpenAI API. Click it to be redirected to the official OpenAI platform. Once there, log into your account using your existing email address. After logging in, look to the top right corner and click on Start Building. You'll now need to create an organization profile. Enter a name for your organization and briefly describe what it does. Then, click Create Organization. You'll be asked to confirm your email and proceed by clicking the Continue button. The next step is to assign a name to both your API key and project. After filling those in, click the Generate API Key button. Once your API key has been generated, click on the Copy button to copy it to your clipboard. Then, click Continue to proceed. Please note that you will need to purchase credits on OpenAI in order to activate and use this API key. Without credits, image generation will not be possible. Now, return to the AI image settings page in WordPress. Paste your copied API key into the provided field and click Save Changes. Once saved, go back to the OpenAI tab under the Image Generator dashboard. Here, you can enter any creative prompt, for example, colorful tents at Everest Base Camp, and click Generate Image. After a short moment, the plugin will display a brand new image generated by AI based on your input. You can then download the image in the size that fits your project needs. Finally, navigate back to the Media tab to see your newly generated image, which is now ready to be used anywhere on your WordPress site. The Instant Image Generator makes it easy to create eye-catching AI-generated images right inside WordPress using simple text prompts. Whether you're designing blog posts, landing pages, or product sections, this tool helps you add unique visuals in seconds. That's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching Ultimate Store Kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful widget tutorials. See you in the next one.